Hi, I'm E, General Manager of Delta System Cabinet Solution Malaysia and also Chiai Industry Sdn Bhd. Our factory is located in Johor, Malaysia, and we are specializing in producing kitchen cabinets, wardrobe closets, and also office furnitures. Our company was founded by my father in the late 90s, and we were specializing only in office furnitures at that time. In around 2019, we established our brand called Delta System Cabinet in order to cater for the increased demand on kitchen cabinets and wardrobe solutions in Malaysia and also in our region markets. We do export our products to various countries such as Singapore, the US, Philippines, Middle East, and Australia. We started using PYTHA since 2021. We had tested a few different technical program software before we made our final decision. In the end, PYTHA is the most suitable for us. Other than design for visualization purpose, another key function that we use on PYTHA is the conversion of design to machine program. This can actually reduce the error and also speed up the whole process.
This is our workshop for kitchen cabinets. We can do full customization of kitchen cabinets and produce 20 sets of kitchens per day. Before shipping out the orders, we will always fully assemble all the cabinets to have a complete check to make sure that everything is in order. Thank you for visiting our workshop here in Malaysia.